Greetings. In this video we'll do a quick overview of the build and the dimensions for the Spirit 72-inch motor glider. The main fuselage is made from 6mm Depron, folded into a 75mm box section and tapered down towards the rear. The tail boom is 8mm carbon fibre, originally 1 metre long, but I moved it forward a little bit as I didn't need all of the length and I didn't want to cut the carbon fibre in case I needed to use it for another build. Tail section is made from 6mm Depron, standard horizontal and vertical stabiliser configuration, both of which have 1.5 inch control surfaces. The vertical stabiliser is 8 inches high, and the horizontal stabiliser is 18.5 inches wide. The wings are mounted directly to the top of the fuselage, held in place with elastic bands. Those elastic bands are hooked over and looped across 6mm dowling, which is held in place with hot glue and reinforced with plastic ID cards. The motor is a Turnigy 2836 1100 kV brushless motor. It is mounted onto a 1/2 inch thick piece of plywood which is epoxied into place. There are 2 additional air holes, one for the wires and one to help cooling of the electronics. The wing is made from 3mm Depron with a 6mm carbon fibre spar. It's an Armin wing, an idea pioneered by Ed at Experimental Airlines, a link of which I will put in the description. From tip to tip it is 72 inches in length and has an 8-inch wing chord. The wing is polyhedral, with each one of the tips being raised up 100mm from horizontal. So, to sum it up, the wingspan is 72 inches, overall length is 56 inches, which comprises of 22 inches box section fuselage and 29 inches carbon fibre rod, with the motor and the tail section sticking out a little bit further either end. The leading edge of the wing is approximately 16 inches from the nose of the plane, with the CG 2 inches back from the leading edge. All up weight of the plane is approximately 702 grams using a 1300 milliamp 2S battery. Out of that I was getting flight times of about 20 minutes, probably get more if I wasn't spent so much time on the throttle and a little bit more time actually gliding the aircraft. The motor also has 5 degrees of downforce added to help compensate for lifting under throttle. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found at least some parts of this video interesting. Please feel free to ask any questions or put any comments. As for me, weather's nice today, so I'm going out and going to see if I can actually get some onboard camera footage ready for the next video. Thanks again.